Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Today I'm going to be planting this climbing rose, and I got this from Home Depot a few weeks ago, and I wanted to plant it on this arbor right here, and I wasn't so sure because I have a clematis planted on it, but then I looked up planting climbing roses with clematises, and it is something that is done, so I'm going to do it. I have to move a couple of hostas and replant them, and then I'll be able to plant this climbing rose in their spot, and I'm so excited. So let me show you the space, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So here is my arbor, and here where you see these hostas right here, this is what I want to dig up and then move those probably down to the bed over there, and then plant my rose in that spot. I want it to climb up over here, and then I want to keep this clematis in its space and let them both climb and just have, I guess, double blooms. Now this clematis is Clematis Midori, and I got this from Spring Hill Nursery. It's beautiful. It's in process of opening up, and I cannot wait. It's so pretty. It's got buds all over. Got buds here, and it's such a beautiful flower. This one's starting to open. It looks amazing. I cannot wait. They're so pretty. So I've got the hole dug. I think it should be deep enough, and I decided to not take out all of the hostas and to only take out what was absolutely necessary to get the rose in there. So I'm gonna add some biotone starter fertilizer, and then I'm gonna stick the rose in. Well, then I'll fill the hole up with water, then stick the rose in, and then backfill it. Guess I'll do the water first. Okay, so until that just fell off into here. So the rose is all planted in, and I got a shovel full of wood chips that we picked up for free locally, and it should be good to go. It looks like it wasn't like it was rooted, but it wasn't all the way rooted, I guess you could say, because once I pulled it out of the pot, half of the soil fell off of it, and I could see new roots there and some of the old. So I'm guessing they just shoved a bare root in a pot, shipped it out. But yeah, hopefully this guy will grow for me. I don't think I even told you guys the name of it. So this is Lavender Crush Climbing Rose, and look how pretty those blooms are gonna be. So pretty. Hopefully it will do better than the Aldi roses. And I just love the flower. Like, this is what made me buy this, was the flower. So my climber is all planted, but let me give you just a quick update on the Proven Winners roses that I just planted. I just planted them a few days ago, and you guys will have already seen that video before seeing this. So let me show you something. They're so pretty. Ringo Double Pink is open, and it is so beautiful. It's a stunner. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. And then I did notice that something came over here and ate that bud right there. I'm gonna have to spray it again. I did spray with the deer repellent, which is supposed to repel like rabbits and stuff too. I'm guessing that's why it didn't finish the bud, because it probably tasted like crap. But anyway, so the Ringo Double Pink, what do you guys think of this bloom? So gorgeous. I love it. And then I love how these look right here, the unopened, and it's full of buds. So gorgeous. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions about the roses or anything that I did in the video today, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.